Well, if you've been looking for a beautiful Corvette, this might be the car for you because the miles are right and it is priced right as well. This is a really good looking 2010 Chevrolet Corvette at 1LT Coupe, CAMMED 500 plus horsepower. Just 57,000 miles on this car. Wow, this could make what? Somebody a great deal. Black on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and as we said, 500 plus horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the competition gray wheels, which look great on this car. Has power driver seat, side airbags, dual zone electronic climate control, CD, MP3, XM stereo. Has front input and steering wheel controls as well. HID headlights, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down, fog lights. Everything on this car is power. Has tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. The car comes with a clean Carfax. And this 2010 Corvette shows just 57,645 miles. Features some really nice added performance accessory as well, and the car's in average condition. This car's paint is an average, has an average shine, and it has those rare factory competition gray wheels. The interior of this car, well, this 2010 Corvette shows good condition factory leather seats, door panels, a center console, and a very good steering wheel as well. Now, additions to this car include an aftermarket performance camshaft, stainless steel long tube headers, aftermarket mufflers, Veraram cold air intake, aftermarket headlights, aftermarket side marker lenses, and drilled and slotted brake rotors as well. The car starts, runs, drives, and is going to make it stop in your driveway. So give us a call today to bring home this CAMMED C6 with 57,000 miles. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can reach us at 770. You can buy online with confidence from buyavette.net. Let us help you take this car home. buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia.